Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by signing into Google with the account you want job alerts sent to. Enter specific job keywords, job title, company name, location, and qualifiers like remote or salary, because precise terms reduce clutter. Once done, pick a delivery frequency and the email destination so you control how often opportunities appear. Make sure to use quotes for exact phrases and the minus sign to exclude terms. This first pass creates focused, actionable alerts immediately. Now refine each alert to improve relevance. Use quotes for exact title matches and/or between synonyms to catch variations. Add negative terms with a minus sign to remove unwanted results and specify locations or salary terms to narrow the pool. Once done, choose preferred sources and languages. Start with automatic to collect broadly, then tighten to news, blogs, or web if you get irrelevant posts. Make sure to test variations of keywords and monitor the first few alerts to fine-tune filters. Finish by organizing alerts. Group similar queries, lower frequency for noisy alerts, and delete duplicates to keep your inbox usable. Monitor responses for 1 to 2 weeks and adjust keywords or broaden location and salary constraints if you're not seeing matches. If alerts stop arriving, check the correct Google account, spam folder, and whether you set too narrow filters. When troubleshooting, widen keywords incrementally and switch frequency to as it happens to validate the stream is working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.